Hello, everybody. I'm a digital marketer. I'm actually a digital marketer. This is a whole new world for me. Back in the day, in the 90s, the 80s, when I was working as a single mom, full-time job, part-time job, this would have been a godsend. This would have been awesome. The opportunities that exist today are outstanding. Now, I'm not tech savvy. I'm learning to create content, social media strategies, search engine optimization, and we learn here as we go. We make money as we learn. And this automated system is just outstanding. I'm not alone. There's a whole inspiring community that where we learn together. Beginners, experts, people of all ages are learning to be digital marketers. We're growing together, we're sharing, we're encouraging each other. It's awesome. Now, this digital goods economy that exists today averages $1.2 billion a day in 2024, and it's projected to average $3 billion a day in 2027. Are you ready to benefit from this digital economy? Check out julesdailypay.com. And you can also click the link on my bio in TikTok. If I can do this, anybody can. Take care.